Welcome to Young Educators YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about lightning accident. How lightning occur? A large amount of electricity charges accumulate in the upper regions of a cloud. When very large amount of charges are developed like this, a moment will arise where electricity can flow even through the air. Then a jump of electrical charges or an electric discharge occurs. This phenomenon is known as a lightning. Types of lightning: cloud to cloud lightning, cloud to air lightning, and cloud to ground lightning are the three types of lightning that can occur. Let's know about the three types of lightning. Cloud to cloud lightning: a jump of charges between two clouds with different charges is known as cloud to cloud lightning. Cloud to air lightning: discharge of charges accumulated a cloud occurs to the surrounding air. It is known as a cloud to air lightning. Cloud to ground lightning: when the amount of charges in cloud and earth increase at the moment negative charges from the cloud jump to the earth, this is known as cloud to ground lightning. Lightning and thunder: voltage of cloud to ground lightning is 10 million volts. In such a lightning, a current of nearly 25,000 amperes flows. While this lightning occurs, the temperature of air is 30,000 degrees Celsius. How lightning get earth? Direct strikes, side flashes, contact voltage, step potential. By these four ways, the lightning can get earthened. Direct strike: a strike of a lightning on a solitary man, tree, or a building on a flat land is known as a direct strike. Side flashes: lightning which is hit to a tree or a building being sidestepped to a man is known as a side flash. Contact voltage: hit of a lightning to a man while using domestic electric appliances is known as a contact voltage. Step potential: when the lightning strikes on the ground and then moves through a person's leg is known as step potential. Prevention of lightning accidents: fixing lightning conductors on buildings, installing earth wires in domestic electric circuits, disconnecting the television antennas from the television set and keeping them outside. Ensuring safety from lightning accidents: not staying on trees or highlands, wearing dry shoes or standing on insulator materials, limiting the use of landline phones. First aid for a person strike to lightning: massaging the limbs if benumbed. If respiration has stopped, giving artificial respiration. If heartbeat has stopped, massaging the heart. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe for more amazing videos.